welcome back to Hayley's Cards. Today's tutorial is going to be something a little bit special. It's made to surprise 6 birthday celebrations week, which is very exciting. Sam has kindly let me put together my own special bundle over on the Craft World website, featuring some of my favourite product, and it's available with an amazing 60% discount, and that is while stocks last or throughout the month of May. I will leave all the links in the description to the bundle below, and I will share the bundle with you in a second. I will be creating more tutorials using the bundle throughout May to give you even more inspiration and show just how versatile the bundle that I've put together is. Today's project is this beautiful floating Z-fold card. So we have a Z-fold card and this clear see-through floating panel with a piece of acetate that's suspended with a cocktail there and some beautiful florals. I just thought this was a really fun card for the Made to Surprise 6th birthday and beautiful vibrant colours. So I'm going to quickly show you the bundle. This is the first piece of the bundle, and this is the Birthday Fun A5 stamp and die set. This is a fabulous set. It has these wonderful frames in here, which I've used on this card. They're really versatile, these frames. They were designed to go with a different product, but I just think they work perfectly on their own standalone dies. It also has the beautiful cupcakes, some of the florals, the balloons, some foliage, sentiments. It's a really wonderful set, this one, and I've used this one to create the card today. Also, this is another one of my favourites. This is Cake and Cocktail A5 stamp and die set, and this has some really fabulous cocktail drinks and some cake. We've got some candles and some bits and pieces that you can build up inside your cocktails and your drinks and things like that, along with some sentiments. Now I've used this wonderful cocktail glass here. The next thing is this wonderful stamp and die set, which is all the sentiments. Now I've used this one today again, and I've used the yay and the birthday, and that comes from the stamp sets at the bottom here. So you get all these stamps and all these dies and the shadow dies to go along with these sentiments. They are fabulous for creating quick sentiments on your card, and it covers a variety of occasions on this one. So I really love that one. And then the last thing, now this is probably one of the most versatile birthday set. It's very large. You get all of these included. All the ones in teal here are dies, and then we have a stamp set to go along with these. And again, this is concentrating on the birthday type theme, celebration theme, and this is hurrah stamp and die set. And I've used a lot of these pieces in here, and I've used the 6 with the birthday candle there. I thought that were great. It's got sentiments, it's got stamps, and all these wonderful dies to really build up your card. So I've used a couple of pieces from this set today, but like I say, going forward I will be using this collection and bringing you different cards and different styles, and just showing how versatile this set is. And like I say, a wonderful price of 60% off this one. So if you are looking at shopping in the sales this Made to Surprise birthday week, head on over and have a look at this one. Okay, so again, I'm just going to quickly bring the card in and show you what we're going to be making. This is a fabulous one, so let's get started. The first thing that I have done is I have got myself a 7x7 card base. Now you can do this to any size you would prefer. I've done it 7 by 7 because the circular frames that I'm going to use are 6 by 6 inside, so it sits perfectly on this card base. So this is a 7 by 7 card base, and this is just a pre-made store-bought card. And what I've done is I've just taken my scoreboard and I have scored this at 3.5 inches just on that side, and I'm going to fold this back on itself and burnish it down, and that is going to create my fold back or Z fold card. Really simple, really easy, but this is a really effective one. It just shows some variety in your card making, and it's a really great one for beginners. If you're just getting started on making fun fold cards, this is one of the first ones I would suggest making. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to bring in some mats and layers that I already have prepared here. So I've cut myself a pink piece of card here that measures 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. I'm going to pop this on the inside. Then I have this wonderful cocktail pattern paper sheets here, and this will measure 6.5 by 6.5 inches, and I'm going to stick those two together and pop those on there. The next thing I have is I've cut myself 2 of the pink panels that measure 6 3/4 inches by 3.25 inches, and I have 2 of those. One is going to go on the inside panel there, and one is going to go on the outside panel. And I've also taken that same pattern paper and I've cut this to 6.5 inches by 3 inches, and you want 2 of those. So you can use whatever pattern papers you would like to use at home. So I'm going to go and get these stuck down now. I have all those mats and layers stuck down now. It's just a really fun, vibrant pattern paper pad with the bright pink as well. It goes beautifully with the theme, and I'm not sure if I mentioned this. The actual set that this comes from is Going Full Circle 8 by 8 paper pad, and I've used the cocktail drinks here. So that's the paper pad that I've used for this one. But again, you can use whatever it is that you have at home, any paper pads. The next thing that I've done from the Birthday Fun stamp and die set, I've cut myself the scalloped frames, done them both. I've done one in the pink cardstock and I've done one in the holographic cardstock. I popped some foam on the back of mine because I wanted it raised up. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smaller holographic piece, which fits perfectly in this center of here. So I'm just going to add my glue all the way around, and then I'm going to center this frame in the middle here. And I always think holographic card also just gives that birthday fun celebration kind of feel to your cards. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I have taken a piece of acetate, and this is where we get the floating element from. So I've cut myself a piece of acetate which is about 1/2 inch wide by about maybe 5 inches, and all it is, I'm just going to suspend this in the middle, well, a little bit to the top of this circle like so I can put my cocktail glass in there and it's going to look like it's floating. I'm going to grab my pokey tool and remove the red liner tape that I've already stuck down here, and I'm going to add my acetate to the top third, I'd say, of this circular frame here. And then I've also popped a bit of acetate into the middle there. I'm going to remove that. And I have taken my stamp and die set, the cake and cocktail. I've stamped out the lovely cocktail glass here with the umbrella and the candle in the drink as well. I just thought that was fun. And I've coloured it in using my Ohuhu markers. And I'm going to place this now in the centre of this circle, suspended on this piece of acetate. Just stick that down. So that now you don't really see the acetate. So this drink looks like it's floating in this frame. Okay, so now I'm going to add the frame to this section here. I'm not going to glue it down on this piece here. We're only using this section. So I'm going to pop my glue. I'm going to measure out roughly just about halfway, and I want it on this side here. So I'm going to add my glue onto the back of here. And again, roughly about halfway around. And then I'm going to center this in the middle here and pop that frame down in the middle. And because I've put this on foam, this is what just helped this glass also look like it's floating, because it's raised up from the base card. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a minute to stick. So the next thing that I have done is I have used some of the flowers, and the foliage from the set, the Birthday Fun. And I've used the dies in this one. So I've used this lovely flower here and this one and some of the foliage dies. And those are standalone dies. And I've taken some bright cardstock and I have created lots of florals that we're going to build up on that frame. And I've cut lots of the foliage also. I like to just curl the petals between my finger and my thumb. Just curl those petals up towards me and just give those a little bit of shape so they don't look so flat. They're more 3D. And I've already popped some foam pads on the back of these, and I'm going to arrange my florals just around this left hand side. So I'm going to get all these stuck down in place and then I will come back. Okay, so I've built up all those flowers and foliage around the edge of this frame here. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some of my gems to the centre of these flowers. And also just 3 little gems in this corner here. I'm going to get my pickup tool and pop the gems into the centre of the flowers. And then 3 gems just down this right hand side here. So for the next thing then, I have taken this set, the Hurrah, and I have stamped and cut out the number 6, the birthday candle, and also again using all the sentiment stamp, I've stamped and cut out the birthday here. I have these already, and I pop some foam on the back, and I'm going to add the 6 to the lovely cocktail glass here. I've also die cut out my word yay, and I pop some foam on the back of there, and I'm going to add this to the bottom right hand corner, and then I'm going to add the birthday to the glass there, like so. So this is the card complete now, and that's a wonderful card. I love the bright pop of colour. It's definitely a celebratory card and a very well deserved celebration of Made to Surprise 6th birthday. Sam is fabulous. If you haven't already, go check Sam's channels out. I will leave a link in the description box below. I would love to know in the comments, drop me a comment below, if you have already been shopping on the website and maybe you've got a bargain with some of the bundles already that's been released. Would you be considering purchasing the bundle that I've created? Do you already have the products and maybe you just want some more inspiration using those? Or is this your first time coming across Made to Surprise? Do let me know. I'd be very interested to see how many people are only just discovering Made to Surprise for the first time. Okay, so that's a lovely card complete. Now, like I say, I will be creating lots more projects throughout May using this bundle. And again, I'm just going to quickly bring this bundle in and give you another quick flick through. This is the beautiful All the Sentiments stamp and die set. Then we have the Cake and Cocktail stamp and die set. I love these drinks and the cake and everything. It's really nice. This one is, I would say, it's just a must-have. These dies are fantastic. It comes with the stamp set also. It's got some sentiments in, it's got some elements in, it's got everything you need to be able to create a birthday card. And I just think that is a wonderful collection. The last piece, obviously, is the birthday fun too. And I love these frames. I love the elements in here, the florals. It's an unassuming set, I think, this one, and it's a really good one to have in your stash. Okay, so that is the bundle, that is the card, and I just want to say a big thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Do drop me a comment and let me know if you've been enjoying the celebrations this week. And also, if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. I'm just trying to grow it at the moment. Keep tuned in this week because there's still some very special surprises, including a brand new launch coming to you on Friday. I will leave Sam's channel linked in the description box below, and you will be able to watch the brand new collection release on Friday. And Sam also this week has videos going up every day using the different bundles, so there's lots of inspiration to be watching over there too. Thank you all for watching. Take care everybody. Bye bye.